Good morning, sixth grade. Welcome to a new week of learning. For ELA, Monday and Tuesday are going to be editing days. So Mrs. LeGrand and I will be going on to your documents and we will be looking to make sure that you have what you need. Some of you still haven't put your document in the right place. It really needs to be in your essay folder. Otherwise, we can't see it. So today and tomorrow are going to be similar. On Wednesday, you're going to sign on and you're going to look at your document one more time, making sure that it's in its final form, and then you're ready to hand it in. So your checklist for today and for tomorrow: go on to your document and do a color pencil edit. Now, I found these on the floor. Thank you for whoever left them, because I'm going to use them to do this editing. If you can see, oh, there's our classroom, looks good.
Today you will be getting a checklist. So you've seen these before, but what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to use your colored pencils or your markers, or guess what? You could even use the highlighting function on your document. So if you don't have a printer at home, no problem. If you remember, I like to go through spelling and punctuation first. So I'm going to put a red dot by both of those things because that's how I'm going to mark it in my paper. Okay. When I go to my paper, here's my exemplar. I'm going to use one from Raymond's Run. I'm going to go through and I'm going to check all my punctuation. So I'll do the first paragraph for you as I try to hold the phone steady. You have a comma, quotations. Just to clear this up, quotation marks go around your short story. I wanted to clear that up for a few of you who are underlining or making it in italics. You should have it in quotation marks. Squeaky. As you do this, you should be thinking, is this the correct punctuation? And if it is, then you are good to go. Remember that you're reading and thinking through, does this punctuation make sense? Now, you're done with punctuation. So those two areas, spelling and punctuation, are done. If for a reason you thought a spelling word was incorrect and you wanted to check, let's say I wanted to check narrator. I would circle that word, put a question mark by it, and then when I'm editing, I can come back and check with a dictionary or check with an online resource. Okay, as I look for my next pen, we'll use purple, and I'm going to go back to the beginning. Our lead and our ending are going to be the same color, so I decided purple. The lead is going to be your claim. So you're going to underline your claim and you're going to make sure that it follows the requirements. The requirements for the lead are that you make a claim with the author's name as well as this title of the short story, and you say your overarching idea with your 3 reasons. Once you do your beginning, then you go to your conclusion and you underline reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. Then you go to your next color. I'm going to use green. Transitions. They give you an example of transitions. You go to your paper again and you work on finding transitions with green. Okay, this should be familiar to you. Then you grab your next color. I'm going to use orange, and you figure out what you want to work on next. I'm going to look at organization. First of all, I want to make sure to indent, so I'm going to put an arrow. I'm going to make sure that my sections are reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. And then finally, elaboration and craft can go together. So as you work through your paper, this is how I would do it. Be sure to use this checklist to your benefit, making each section a different color. Today, here's your checklist.
Color pencil edit today and tomorrow. Spelling practice, Membean, Khan Academy.